Hey guys, I'm going to take a couple minutes to talk about this wireless ergonomic keyboard and mouse. It has universal compatibility with both Windows and Mac operating systems. The keyboard features a wavy design and a leather wrist rest, along with 5 foot supports that can adjust the keyboard's tilt angle for all-day comfort and a fatigue-free experience. This uses Bluetooth. It is also multi-device compatible, along with having 12 shortcuts that boost hand-on keyboard efficiency. The keyboard and the mouse are rechargeable by a Type-C port, and the power cord that is needed is also included. Once the keyboard and the mouse are fully charged, you want to take out the USB connection piece and put it into your device, and this connects the keyboard and the mouse to your device that you want to use. Then with the flip of the switch, you turn on the mouse along with the keyboard. Once these are fully charged, you have 100 hours of working time, and it only takes about 2 to 3 hours to charge them up completely. The keyboard and the mouse are ultra light and quiet. This is ideal for multitasking professionals as it can pair with 3 devices instantly. I would highly recommend this as it is the ultimate cross-device tool.